కనిపిస్తున్నాను. Okay, very pleasant morning to all my dear third class children. How are you, Nana? Are you listening the lessons? Are you able to understand? Are you able to follow? Yes, children. If you did not understand at a time, please go through the video one more time and take your parents' help to understand, children. Is it clear? Okay, let us discuss what you have learned previous class. What is the name of second lesson? Parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. Already we discussed about the root. What are the main parts of a plant? What are the main parts of a plant, amma? Root. Okay, yes children, root. Yes, root hold the plant firmly in the soil and stem gives support to the plant. Roots are two types. Okay, tap root and fibrous root. Okay, stem gives support to the plant and also carries food and water to all parts of the plant. Leaves are green in color. Why the leaves are green in color? They contain a green pigment that is called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll gives green color to the leaf. What is the food factory of the plant? Recall once, Nana. What is the food factory of the plant? Leaves only. Leaves prepare food for the plant. Okay, and also leaves called kitchen of the plant. So leaves are called kitchen of the plant and also food factory of the plant, and also leaves help the plant to breathe. Okay children, all these are over now, children. Okay, about the root, about the stem, about the leaves we discussed in previous class. Once recall, Nana. Okay, so now we will discuss about the flowers, fruits and seeds. What are the other parts of a plant? Root, stem, leaves already completed. Okay, remaining parts: flowers, fruits and seeds. Okay, do you know flowers? Every day we are seeing so many kinds of flowers, no children? See, these are all the flowers. Okay, see all these colors. See, flowers are very beautiful, no children? Yellow color, violet color, red color, pink color. Okay, all these are very beautiful parts of a plant. So what is the beautiful and colorful parts of a plant? Yes, you are right. That is the flower. One more time. What is the beautiful and colorful part of a plant? Flower. Okay, flowers are the beautiful and colorful part of a plant. Okay na? So flower is also called reproductive part of a plant. Okay, flower is the reproductive part of a plant. Flowers produce fruits. Flowers change into fruits. Okay, flowers change into fruits. Okay, flowers turn into fruits. Flowers produce seeds. Okay, by the process of reproduction. So what is the reproductive part of a plant? Flower. Flowers give beauty to our surroundings, no children? Okay, during functions and festivals and marriages, okay, we use lot of flowers for decoration. We also use flowers to pray the God. Is it clear? Every day your mother using flowers to pray the God. Okay, for pray the God. Okay, flowers give beauty to the surroundings. Okay, flowers are the source of food. To whom? Okay, insects. When we visit a garden, we observe lot of insects goes from one flower to another. Why they are moving from one flower to another? Why they are sitting on the flower? They collect honey. Okay, honey is present in the flower. That is called nectar. So insects suck the nectar from the flowers only. Okay, nectar means what, ma? Honey. Honey is the sweet juice obtained from the flowers. Who collect the honey from the flowers? Insects only. Okay, but not all insects. Bees, butterflies, honeybees. Okay, some insects collect honey from the flowers. Okay na? So what are the uses of flower, amma? It is the reproductive part of a plant. Okay, and flowers give beauty to our surroundings. We use lot of flowers for decoration of our houses during functions and festivals and marriages. Flowers also source of food for insects like honeybees and butterflies, and also they are the source of medicines. And also many people make perfumes. Your mother and father apply perfume on their bodies. They give good smell, no children. So we use we use perfumes and scents. How they prepare? By using the flowers only. Okay, and preparing dyes, they are using flowers. Is it clear, ma? They are the source of food. They are the source of honey. They are the source of medicines, ma. Okay, flowers give beauty to our surroundings. Are all these flowers looking same? No. So flowers are different sizes and shape, no children. Flowers are different sizes and shapes. Is it clear, Nana? Okay, they are beautiful. Yes, they are very beautiful and colorful. Okay, now what makes our surroundings very beautiful and colorful and healthy? Yes, you are right. They are flowers. So flowers make our surroundings very beautiful and colorful. Okay, now. Okay, children, is it clear, Nana? So flowers are very beautiful and colorful and reproductive part of a plant. Some flowers produce fruits. Flowers turn into fruits. Flowers change into fruits. Is it clear? And also reproductive part of a plant. Flowers turn into fruits by the process of reproduction. Is it clear, Nana? Okay, and flowers have some parts, ma. Okay, na, and the brightly attractive parts of a flower are called petals. Okay, what are called petals, ma? What are called petals? The beautiful and colorful parts of a flower is called petal. Give me chalk piece, ma. Okay, see here, this is the light orange color. Okay, and this is the red color. All these bright color parts are called petal. What we call petal? P-E-T-A-L, petal. Okay, now, so what is the name of this, ma? See here number of flowers also there. No, this is the yellow color. Okay, yellow, this is the yellow color, this is the red color. Okay, this is the white color. Okay, this is the violet color. Okay, now, and the rose, I like very much. You too like very much, no children. This is the yellow color rose. Okay, now, these are all the hibiscus. Okay, this is the pumpkin flower. Morning I brought all these in my from my surroundings, amma. Okay, from my surroundings lot of plants also there. They provide number of flowers, amma. Okay, na. So all these bright color parts are called petals. What are called petals, amma? The bright color parts of a flower is called petal. Okay, na. So this yellow color part is called petal. Okay, this white color part is called petal. Okay, this violet color part is called petal. This pink color part is called petal. Okay, na. So petals attract the insects for pollination, but you don't know about pollination. Next class you have to learn. So all insects sit on the flower. Okay, na. So this beautiful color attract the insects. Okay, na. So yellow color, orange color, red color. Okay, na. This and this yellow color. All these parts are called petals. What we call all these bright color parts, ma? Petals. Tell me. P-E-T-A-L-S. Petals. All these bright color parts are called petals. Okay, and also a flower has certain green colored structures. They are called sepal. This is the sepal. Okay, see here, children. This is the sepal. These green color parts are called sepals. See here. This flower, green color leafy like structures are called sepals. See here, green leafy like structures are called sepals. So bright color parts are, see hibiscus, green color parts are there. Green color parts are there. What we call it? These are called sepals. These are called sepals. What is the name of this? Bright color. Yes, you are right. This is the petal. This yellow color part is called petal. Petals are brightly. Okay, attract the insects. Okay, na. This yellow color part is called petal. This yellow color bright part is called petal. This orange color part is called petal. What we call these green color leafy like structures? You know? Tell me what we call these? What we call these green color pots? What we call these green color pots? These green color pots are called sepals. Is it clear, amma? Okay, bright color pots are called petals. Green leafy like structures are called sepals. Flowers actually attached to the stem. Flowers actually attached to the stem. This is the stalk. This is the flower stalk. Is it clear? All flowers have stalk. Okay, flowers also attached to the stem. Leaves also attached to the stem with a petiole. But this is the flower stalk. Okay. Okay, this name is pedicel, but you have to learn in next classes. Okay, children. Okay, bright color pods are called petals. Green color pods are called sepals. Is it clear, amma? So, what are the main function of the flower, amma? What are the main function of the flower? Flowers turn into fruits. Flowers turn into this pumpkin. Flower turn into pumpkin. Okay, na? Some flowers we use for decoration. Okay, some flowers turn into fruits. Is it clear, amma? So, flowers turn into fruits. Flowers provide food for insects. Okay, na? Insects. Flowers provide food for insects. Flowers are the source of medicines. Okay, na? Flowers are the source of honey. Okay, na? They provide honey for insects. Is it clear, ma? Source of medicines. Okay, na? And number of people prepare perfumes and scents by using the flowers. Is it clear, ma? About the flower. Okay, flowers turn into what? Fruit. Okay, now every day we are eating fruits. Fruits are different types. Okay, now this is the batai. Okay, now this is the pomegranate. This is the pomegranate. Okay, now and this is the watermelon. Okay, now so flowers are okay. Flowers turn into fruits, amma. Okay, now fruits cover and protect the seeds. Okay, now fruits cover and protect the seeds. But see here, okay, fruits are fleshy part of the plant. Okay, now fruits are fleshy part of the plant. See here, batai and watermelon. How these, amma? These are very fleshy and very tasty, no children. Flowers turn into fruits. Fruits are the fleshy parts of the plant. Okay, now and see here. Okay, these are all the fleshy parts. This is the fleshy part. Okay, now so see here. What is there inside the fruit, children? What are the black color parts? What are the black color parts, amma? Seeds. Okay, na? What is there inside the fruit? Seeds are present. Okay, see here watermelon. How many seeds are there here? Number of seeds are there. Many seeds are there. Is it clear, Nana? Many seeds also there. Papaya has many seeds. But see here, pomegranate, how many seeds it has? Many seeds. Okay, na? Papaya has many seeds. Okay, watermelon. Watermelon has many seeds. But do you know how many seeds it has inside the fruit? Only few seeds, 4 or 5 seeds. Okay, na? So some fruits have only one seed. Okay, na? So which fruits have only one seed, ma? Mango. Mango has only one seed. Okay, na? Mangoes are available in summer season. Summer season we like very much, no children. Okay, mango has only one seed inside the fruit. Some fruits have only one seed. Okay, which fruits have one seed, children? Can you tell? Do you know? Apricot, plum, okay, peach, okay, and mango. These fruits have only one seed. Okay, which fruits have only 4 or 5 seeds? Do you know? Which fruits have only 4 or 5 seeds? Okay, apple. This is the apple, no children. This is the apple. Okay na. And here lemon and batai also only few seeds. So which fruits have only few seeds ma? Apple and batai and lemon have only few seeds, 4 or 5 seeds inside the fruit. Okay, now which fruits have many seeds amma? Watermelon and papaya. Okay, now watermelon and papaya and pumpkin, they have many seeds inside the fruit. Is it clear, Nana? Some fruits, flowers turn into fruits amma, but some flowers turn into fruits. Fruits are the fleshy parts of the plant, juicy parts of the plant, and fruits inside seeds are present amma. Some fruits have only one seed, that is the mango, plum, apricot. Some fruits have only few seeds, those are apple. Okay, na apple and lemon. Oranges have only 4 or 5 seeds inside the fruit, and papaya and watermelons have many seeds. Is it clear? But all these seeds are not edible, no children. All these seeds are not edible. Okay, edible means which can we eat. Okay na. So inedible seeds are mainly two types amma. Some seeds are edible, some seeds are inedible. Edible means which can we eat. Which seeds are eating amma? Okay, groundnut, you know well, groundnut. See here, groundnut and badam, pista, walnut, all these seeds are we eat raw. Is it clear? Edible seeds, these are all the edible seeds. Groundnut, cashew nut, walnut, okay, pista, groundnut, coconut, all these are edible seeds. Edible means which can we eat. Okay, some seeds are after eating, after cooking we eat. See, okay, grams, okay, bean and moong dal means green gram, black gram, red gram, okay, pea, bean, all these are eating after cooking only. Is it clear? Okay, and after cooking only we have to eat these. But we eat raw, groundnut, coconut, okay, pista, badam, cashew nut. We eat raw without cooking. These are the edible seeds amma. Some seeds are inedible. Inedible means what? Which we cannot eat. Okay, can you eat the seeds of watermelon? Can you eat the seeds of watermelon? No. Can you eat the seeds of papaya? No. Okay, can you eat the seeds of apple? No. Can you eat the raw seed of mango? No. These are all inedible, which cannot we eat. Is it clear, Nana? Okay, na. So if you want to get a mango plant, what should you do? Take one mango seed and put into the soil. Okay, na, and you have to sprinkle some water. Okay, after few days we will get a mango plant. That means what? New plants come from the seed only. Is it clear, Nana? Yes. Okay, new plants come from the seed only. Most of the plants come from the seed only. Is it clear, Nana? Okay, let us revise, Nana. Okay, flowers, amma, flowers are beautiful and colorful parts of a plant. These bright color parts are called petals. These green leafy-like structures are called sepals. Is it clear, Nana? Okay, flowers turn into fruits amma. Okay, flowers provide nectar for honeybees. Flowers are the source of medicines. Okay na, and we use flowers for making scents and perfumes amma. Flowers give beauty to our surroundings. Okay na, number of uses also there. You have to write 10 uses of flowers today. Okay na, and flowers turn into fruits amma. Okay, fruits are fleshy and juicy part of the plant. Okay na, we eat every day so many kinds of fruits. Okay, fruits inside seeds are present. Some seeds are edible, some seeds are inedible. Okay na, some fruits have many seeds, some fruits have only one seed, some fruits have only few seeds, 4 or 5 seeds. Okay na, so we get new plants from the seed only. Is it clear, Nana? Okay, this is the lesson number, second lesson completed children. You have to read the textbook, you have to buy the textbook, you have to read the textbook. Okay, if you did not understand anything, you have to see this video, you have to watch this video one more time. Okay children, and clarify your doubt with the help of your parents, Nana. Okay, and tomorrow I will tell you textbook grammar. Okay na? Bye children, take care. See you tomorrow.